not exactly true, Nina.
It's not?
No, the clouds don't play catch. Lightning is actually a giant spark that shoots down from the clouds, and thunder is the noise that it makes.
A giant spark? But Mr. Voice, how does lightning happen?
That's a very good question, Nina. Let's take a look at the Knowledge Pad. A lightning bolt is actually a form of electricity or energy that moves from one place to another. To explain this, let's first talk about static electricity. Have you ever noticed that sometimes when you drag your feet on the carpet, then touch something metal, like a doorknob for instance, your hand feels a little zap? That little zap you feel is actually a tiny electric shock. This is caused by static electricity. Static electricity happens when you rub things together. This is because rubbing your socks against the carpet gives you a tiny amount of electricity. And since this electricity, or energy, needs to be released, when you touch metal, the energy jumps from your body to the doorknob in the form of an electric shock. Now, the same thing happens with lightning. In a huge thundercloud, little bits of ice and water rub against each other, giving the cloud extra electrical energy. And just like before, this energy needs to be released, so it shoots out a lightning bolt to the ground. And that's how lightning happens.
Wow, so now I know. So, lightning happens when a huge thundercloud has too much static electricity and needs to get rid of it?
That's right. And we create static electricity too, when we rub certain things together. Want to see how? Take that plastic comb on your bedside table, Nina, and rub it against your woolen blanket there. Now, hold the comb over Smarty Pants' head